Here's a scenario Texas landlords face too often. A tenant claims they reported a repair months ago, you have no record of it, and now you're looking at a habitability dispute or deduction fight at move-out. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Written maintenance documentation protects both sides. In Texas, the landlord's duty to repair under the property code is triggered by written notice, not a text message. A formal maintenance request creates the paper trail that matters if things escalate. Our free Texas maintenance request form tracks the request date, issue description and priority, assigned contractor, scheduled repair date, completion status, and resolution notes. Everything you need to demonstrate you responded promptly and professionally. It's a fillable PDF. Fill it out, print it, keep a copy in the tenant's file. Simple. And for your next vacancy, the best way to avoid maintenance disputes is screening for tenants who take care of properties. At TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com, we provide full credit, eviction, and criminal background checks with same-day results and no monthly fees. Get the free form at TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.